In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts in HubSpot. Exporting your contacts from HubSpot can be essential for backup purposes or simply for data analysis and sharing. Let's go through the process step by step, ensuring that you can follow along effortlessly. First, begin by accessing HubSpot. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're having any trouble logging in, make sure to double-check your information or use the Forgot Password link to recover access. Once you're logged in and on the HubSpot dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find various options for navigating through HubSpot's features. Hover your mouse over this sidebar and look for the section labeled CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, which is the backbone of your interactions with contacts on HubSpot. Under the CRM section, you'll find the Contacts option. Give it a click, and this will bring you to the Contacts section where all your saved connections are listed. This page shows a comprehensive list of your contacts, detailing the essential information you've stored. Now, observe the top right of this list of contacts. You should see a button labeled Export. This is what we'll be using to start the process of exporting our contacts. Click on this button, and a window will pop up prompting you to confirm some additional information. This step is crucial, as it allows you to specify the format of the exported file, such as CSV, XLS, or whichever suits your needs best. You'll also be asked to name the export file. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify later. Additionally, HubSpot will ask you to select the language of your column headers, which is particularly useful if you're working in a multilingual environment. If you're looking for more tailored export settings, you can click on the Customize option within this window. Here, you'll find additional settings that can further refine your output to meet your specific needs. It's worth spending a minute to review these custom options, especially if you need certain fields or specific data ranges. Once you've confirmed that all your selections look right, go ahead and click on the final Export button. HubSpot will start processing your request, and shortly afterward, you'll receive your file containing all your exported contacts. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your contact list. Exporting contacts is a straightforward task in HubSpot, thanks to its intuitive interface and thoughtful step-by-step options. Now you're well equipped to keep your contact data organized and at your fingertips whenever you need it.